Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on a Dollar. I am your host Ida, and today we're going to do these beautiful wall sconces using Dollar Tree and Family Dollar items, and also using MAZ-TEK plug-in light LED night light with auto dust and dark sensor. So if you're interested in seeing how we make these beauties, just continue to watch. I love this design, guys. I really do. And when I saw these frames, I knew that's what I wanted to do with it. So the things that you're going to need are 2 of these Family Dollar picture frames. They're 4x6s. I give you a better shot of the UPC code in a few minutes. You're going to need 2 MAZ-TEK plug-in LED lights, some strong adhesive. You're going to need 2 extension cords. You may want to get the color of your wall so it can blend in. You're going to need hot glue gun and hot glue sticks. Of course, I'm using Gorilla sticks. You're going to need some bling wrap. You're going to need 12 of the long mirrors off of the Dollar Tree 4x6 mirror frames. So you'll need 6 picture frames. And this is optional, guys. If you want to use these little decorative things on the corners of your box, you can do that, or you can put bling wrap everywhere. And guys, here's the UPC code for the picture frames. So if you don't have a Family Dollar, maybe you can order them. So the first thing I did was, of course, take out the inside of the frames, and we're going to use 6 on this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the strong adhesive in the 2 sides of the frame. You don't need it in the top. In the tops, because the mirrors won't touch that. So here I am. I'm putting hot glue on the right side of the mirrors, and I'm placing them inside of the picture frame. And I'm going to leave some space in between, because the next row of mirrors will go in between the first layer, covering up those holes, or openings, should I say. So you're just going to do that to all 3, and then when you come back, you'll have something that looks like this. You're going to put hot glue on the right side of the piece of the backing of the picture frame, and you're going to put it back on, and then you're going to use some strong adhesive and hot glue and put the glass frame of the picture frame. So you're kind of doing a reverse effect with that. Instead of putting the frame in first, you're putting the back part in, and then you're putting the frame on. And then you're going to seal it in really good. And after you do that, you're going to go and you're going to use diamond wrap. You're going to put 3 rows around the sides of it, and you're going to put 1 row on the actual, 2 rows on the actual front side. I think it's 2, maybe 1. Yes, you're going to put 2 rows on the front side. So now we have our bling wrap on, and it's looking good already. And guys, you can stop right there and just use it as a wall mirror, but we're going to go a little further. You know me, I love to do unique things. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our second picture frame, and we're going to align, I think it's 6 or 7 of the mirrored pieces onto the frame. And this time we have the frame It's right side up. The deep side is up. So you're using the back of the frame to put your mirror in, and the mirror is going to be facing outward. You're going to do the same process. You're going to hot glue with Gorilla Glue sticks on all of them, and then when we come back, we're going to put 2 rows of bling wrap all around. We're going to put 2 rows on the bottom and a single rows on either side. Guys, I wonder if anybody else is having problems with the Pro Tech glue gun, because mine's, I done had 3 and they have short circuit my house, and so I'm going to have to go to a different brand. But just let me know if you had any trouble. So here's the MAZ-TEK plug-in LED night lights. Now guys, these things are awesome. They are brightness adjustable. They're automatically illumination. They're unique design, energy conservative, so you don't have to worry about when they come on at night that you're going to get charged a lot of money, and you don't have to stumble and trip all over to get around in your home. These are good for bedrooms, hallways, kitchens, stairwell, ways. And they are $12.99 on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box for these, and also a 20% discount code for you guys. So these are the best ways to go, because you don't have to worry about turning them off and on at night. They'll do it on their own, and turn up, well, instead of the ones that you have to turn off and on, or you have to unplug them in the morning when you wake up. These right here do all the work for you. So we're going to connect this to our frame. You also have easy instructions in the box, and two controls. You have the slider where you can make it bright or dim, and then you have the sensor. So what we're going to do is, on that side that has the glass part of the frame, we're going to plug our night light into it, and we're going to put on the opposite side. Make sure you don't put anything inside of that extra holes that's on that side, but make sure you close it, and then we're going to place it right in the center of that picture frame. Now, of course, you know me, guys, I'm always antsy Susan, so I'm always just trying to go ahead and rush. But guys, I recommend that you put some tape on that piece first, and let that dry a little bit before you do this step, which is putting the strong adhesive on the top part of the picture frame and the bottom, because on this particular one it did not touch on the sides, but the other one it touched on the sides and not the top. So you just have to, when you go into Family Dollar, just test your frames out before you leave. Now, I also recommend that you put the other black backing on the back of this mirror frame, picture frame right here, just to give it a clean and polished look. I forgot to do that one on this one, but the second one I did. So we're going to put some weight on it to weigh it down, and then we're going to come back. So I chose to put my handsaw on it, and it's dark right now, guys, because I want to test it out before I make everything permanent. And as you can see, it works perfect. I turned the light off and it comes on. I turn it on and it goes back off. So I know it's working right, so I can go ahead and make sure everything is secure properly. So I'm going to leave this weighted down for a little while, and then we'll come back. And here's the finished product, guys. I just love, love, love these. So if you love them like I do, please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. And see, I have it paired with our last DIY. I'll leave a link for it in the description box. So if you want to do the same thing, you can. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.